Welcome to Applied Veterinary Medicine. Ever pondered over the root cause of mastitis in bovines? The main perpetrator is none other than the rather troublesome Mycoplasma bovis, accompanied by other species of Mycoplasma. This microorganism triggers a highly transmittable form of mastitis, instigating outbreaks of the ailment in extensive herds, significantly those with recent additions. Mycoplasma bovis is disseminated within herds via mass mastitis treatments and inadequate milking hygiene. While it has the potential to inflict cows of all ages and any stage of lactation, those in early lactation bear the brunt of its impact. Now, what happens when a cow is affected by Mycoplasma bovis? There's a sudden onset of clinical mastitis in many cows, usually affecting all four quarters. This is accompanied by a marked drop in milk production, and in some cases, cows may even stop lactating. There is noticeable swelling of the udder and gross abnormality of the milk, without obvious signs of systemic illness. Eventually, the udders atrophy and do not return to production. Mycoplasma bovis can cause a range of infections, from clinical to subclinical, and even chronic intramammary infections. Calves that suckle milk from infected cows may develop otitis media or interna. To identify this condition, special culture and staining techniques of milk are used. Necropsy findings typically reveal purulent interstitial mastitis, and the diagnosis is confirmed by identifying the pathogen in the milk. The epidemiology and clinical findings are characteristic of Mycoplasma mastitis, but it may resemble other causes of chronic mastitis that are unresponsive to treatment. Unfortunately, Mycoplasma bovis is not responsive to commonly used mastitis treatments protocols. The best course of action is often to identify and cull affected cows for slaughter. Prevention is always better than cure, and in this case, it involves preventing the entry of infected cows into the herd. Eradicating the infection by culling affected cows can also help control the situation. So there you have it, the etiology, epidemiology, and clinical findings of Mycoplasma bovis. This organism plays a significant role in mastitis in bovines, and understanding it is key to preventing and managing outbreaks in herds. Remember, maintaining good milking hygiene and monitoring the health of the herd can go a long way in keeping these infections at bay.